Here's the camper. It's been sitting here for a little bit, so it could use a good cleaning. Down at the bottom right there, you can see it's actually on both sides. This piece is a little disconnected. You just need to bolt that back up into the frame. Comes with a 3,000 watt generator. That's one thing that needs to be fixed, and then just needs a new cover on the AC unit up top. It's pretty universal, but just needs a new one. Plastic broke from old age. It's a 1992 Ridgewood XL. You can see it. Oh, this side's actually still up. But things like this, it's not for leak. It's just because I have 200 watt solar panels that are on top. I want to make sure that the wind didn't pull on any of the cords. It's actually connected through there. Oh. Needs a little bit of a clean. Some of this stuff, everything in here I'll be taking out that's not a part of the trailer. See lots of storage up here. This actually still works. You can see it's actually running because of the solar right now. There's the charge controller over there. And all this is great. Just a regular opening. This pulls out, so you can fit one, maybe two people there. This drops down, you can fit two people there. AC unit works. Everything in here works. This is a water pump. It's not on right now. Show the battery. Storage right here for closet.
How's it look? What's too bad?
Yeah. Storage. A bed right here. Storage on both sides for hanging clothes. The bed also has storage underneath it, which you probably can't see right now, but there's a good amount of storage there, as well as storage in the back. I put up a little coat hanger here, and then a full bathroom as well. And the water heater works, water pump works, stove works. Has two big propane tanks on the front. Actually, there's a couple holes right here, but I actually put a 42-inch TV right on this wall. I'd probably recommend doing it again. But it's just, if you don't and you have a tube TV, you drop this guy down right here. Yeah. So, it's in good shape. You can see on up top here too, there are watermarks. This is from before I resealed it. I resealed the entire roof with Dicor. Bought a ton of the product and used the self-leveling for areas around the skylights and the vents. So this is all previous, but it no longer leaks, so that's great. And this has actually been sitting out here for about 2 years, and I don't see any signs of the weather actually doing any damage to it, which is great to see, being that I traveled a long time ago. But it's already a long video. If you have any questions, be happy to answer them for you. And yeah, oh, and you also have an oven. So plenty of storage, and I lived in this for a year, traveling in the US for 49 states. So, oh, and also this is a full-size bed back here too. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Back door as well. Thanks.